All right, today we are having a Lenovo T480. So when you press the power button, nothing happens. When we plug it in, so when you plug it in, it's taking 20 volts with 0.47 amperes. All right, pressing power button, nothing happens. Any lights on the keyboard? There are no lights on the keyboard. So it's taking 20 volts and 0.47 amperes, but powering it on, there is nothing that happens. All right, yeah, so let's open it up and check it out, huh? All right, the screws had already been removed, so it's a little bit easier. Right, so something could be taking that 0.47 amperes, and one of it could be the battery, or maybe a shorted something on any of the rails. Okay, yeah, so let's unplug the battery first. Let's plug it back and check current being drawn, so that we are certain if it is the motherboard. It's still taking 20 volts with 0.47 amperes. CPU, nothing is getting warm. All right, let's open up the CPU, then we check on a thermal camera just to ascertain. Maybe we could be having a problem, or we just want to check and see what is taking all that current. Right, 0.47 amperes. So I think that's enough. So come with our thermal camera. We should be able to observe, I think, taking the current. If it is the CPU, then we are quite sure that we have a dead CPU, right? Okay, let me share my screen. So power on. All right. Powered on here. So let me plug. Okay, this is my hand. So this is the CPU area. That is the CPU area, so we plug it in, and instantly the PCH is taking all that current. For a better view, let's put it this other side. So where is the, okay, fine, it's this other side. Plug it in, instantly the PCH is taking 0. There is something here as well, and this is part of the power supply, probably the other side. This is part of the power supply that powers the PCH, right? With up to 65 amperes. This is not the way it's supposed to be having. A machine that is taking that amount of current instantly, this amount of current is being taken instantly, right? Is usually a red flag. Is usually a very big red flag, because it signifies a short somewhere, and most likely it is usually in the CPU or the PCH. All right. Yeah, I think we have not much that we can do here. Yeah, we have no much. Look at that, look at that. 76. Look at that. The CPU is not even getting warm or hot. The PCH is instantly receiving all that current. So this is what happens when you disconnect the display of your machine while the machine is still working, right? Because the PCH, mostly the platform control hub, it does so much in relation to the display. So any slight short in any area around the screen or any place, this is what happens. This, see that? That is what happens. All right. So you take care of your machines so much to avoid such from happening. We'll just close it up. We'll just close it up. And call back the client. So I don't know whether the client would be willing to get another motherboard. Now that is up to him. Of course, you just tell him and give him an option, or her an option of getting another motherboard. So it will be him to decide, right? Yeah. See you in the next video. I think we are done with this.